It's been raining all day, so I am going to cook on the porch today. And I don't even feel bad. Check it out. Woohoo! Steak and potatoes. The truth is, I'm a flipper. I flip them often. I like flipping steaks. How's it looking, baby?
Good.
Right?
Yep.
And we're going to have this wine.
Excellent.
Which is a Pinot Noir. And our neighbor got us some banana bread. So we have dessert too. Anyway, here we go. Alright, so mine was a little overcooked for my liking, but it's still delicious. Let's see how yours come out. Oh, very nice, baby. Nice little pink, Olivia. Oh, yeah. Anyway, we're going to enjoy this. Y'all have a good one.